In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your payment settings on Aliexpress, specifically how to remove a payment method that's no longer needed. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step, making sure everything is clear and easy to follow. First things first, we need to head over to Aliexpress. Open your favorite web browser, and in the address bar, type aliexpress.com and hit enter. This will take you to their homepage. Aliexpress is a vast online marketplace, so if you're a first-timer, take a moment to appreciate its layout. Spend a little time familiarizing yourself with where everything is, but today we're focusing on account settings and specifically payment methods. Now, let's move to the next step. Once you've landed on the home page, you need to head over to your personal profile. If you look to the upper right-hand corner of the screen, there you'll see an icon that typically looks like a person or may have your profile picture if you've set one up. Click on this icon to open up a menu with a list of options related to your account. From this menu, you want to look for and select the Settings option. Clicking Settings will take you to a new page dedicated to managing all aspects of your account, including personal information, security, and, of course, payments. Once you're in Settings, look for the Payment section. This section hosts all your connected cards and payment methods. It's crucial to manage your payment information carefully to ensure security and convenience during transactions. Here's where it gets even more straightforward. When you click Payment, you'll see a list of all the payment methods you currently have linked to your Aliexpress account. Locate the card you wish to remove. Next to each payment method, you should notice an icon that looks like 3 vertically aligned dots. This is your action menu. Click on these 3 dots. This will open up a small menu with a couple of options. To remove the card from your account, simply select the Remove or Delete option. Once you've done this, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a safety step, ensuring that no card is deleted by mistake. Go ahead and confirm your choice. And that's it. The card is now removed from your account. You're now done with the process of removing a payment method from Aliexpress. Congratulations, you've successfully managed your account settings and in doing so, reduced the risk of outdated or unused payment information causing issues in the future. Always remember to keep your account information up to date for a seamless shopping experience. Thank you for joining me in today's guide. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Have a great day shopping confidently on Aliexpress.